Namaskar. Do you like animations? Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. Why do some of us like animations, cartoons? We love them. Have you seen the animations or the movies that that when you see the enthusiasm of a child comes alive in you? People who have an active, happy inner child in them express their feelings so easily. And many real artists who do not imitate and do not follow any school, any style, any other artists, their inner child, inner voice, inner energy, the beautiful love of God inside them, that person's creative mind or being body asked to create what she or he wants, feels, sees, imagines. Just think, dance, painting, drawing, sculpting, music, every art and creation. That's why the world has witnessed the unique art and the unique art of someone who create what he or she wants. I love art, and in my opinion, there is a big difference between an artist and a painter. A painter will paint what others like, but an artist will paint what she or he wants. And maybe others like or dislike the artwork, but it's so special, And the number of such artists is few. They have found their inner child, their inner voice, their inner energy, diamond inside them. And they have stopped being stupid and imitator. They have not imprisoned the happy and healer inner child inside them. But unfortunately, there are people who not have mercy for their inner child, but also do not have anyone, anyone else to wake up, do not want anyone else to wake up their inner child. Why, I don't know. That's why in any way they can, with the help of the stupids and violent people, they start wounding people who have active and creative feelings and inner child inside them. And in this way, they killing parts of that creative person. and they go so far as to make sure that person no longer has the ability to express her or his inner feelings, passion, or create anything. I had so many of these experiences in 2024 in years. I will tell you one day, maybe. Awful, awful experiences. I know so many people. Why do we think that many arts or creations of wonderful creators around the world in history are sitting in people's hearts? You know, it has penetrated deep into their being. The people cries, laughs, dances, show their true feelings with those movies, musics, and books, artworks, and so many cartoons because they have communicated, they have communicated and connected with the person's inner world. Inner world. When you do something or walk somewhere, you feel happy inside and a smile. That feeling of inner enthusiasm is related to your inner child. Your inner child is your main hero, healer, savior. The only being who can save you, heal you, and connect you with multiverse, world, and so many unknown things. In the better version. And yeah, the better version of you, and so many good things. So go find your inner self. Dear unique, always remember there is only one you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you feel there is someone who needs to see this video and listen to this video, share and write a comment for me. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Always remember there is only one you, and be in the shelter of God's love always, forever and beyond. Ashe. Amira.